I'm Mary Schuler. Hi again. This is the second of 4 videos teaching my method of how to do the multiplication facts so that you, parents, will be able to teach your children how to learn their multiplication facts, whether they struggle or not. This is the second video, and it's going to introduce the nines rule. You will need the skip counting flashcards and the nines rule flashcards. This is Caden, and you've met him before. Caden's back. Good for you, Caden. And I'm going to time your skip counting just to compare, and we'll do it every time to see how fast you are, if you're getting better. Twos.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Threes.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27.
Fours.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36.
Fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 40, 45.
Okay, good job. 31.06, and you didn't start over. Last time you had 35, so you got a little faster. Today I'm going to introduce the nines rule, and I'm going to introduce it to you by having you write the chart. In the textbook on page 24 is the chart. So what I want you to do is we're going to write your facts, and I'll take you through this. You're going to write 9 times 1 up here. You put the 9 on top and then times 1. Okay. Then we're going to jump down here, and let's put the 2 on top this time. Now we're going to do 3, and you can either put it on top or on the bottom. We want to kind of alternate. And then you do the 4. Right, you're alternating. Good job. And then 5. Let's skip 5 down there because I don't want them all close together. Okay, 6. So that's 7, do 8. And then the last one is 9 times 9. Now, you're going to go through and you're going to circle the number that's not a 9. Except when you have 9 times 9, you can circle either one. So just go through and circle a number that's not a 9. And then you're going to draw an arrow down from that circle, and you're going to count down. You can either think of subtracting, so you've got the 7.
6.
So it'd become a 6. And don't do any more. And then from the 3 go down, and you can think of taking 1 away, or you can blast down like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The next
1.
number would be 1. From the 4 you got a 3. From the 9 you got an 8. From the 1 you got a 0. Now put a plus sign after all of them. You've got a 3 plus, what do you add to 3 to get 9? So write 3 and what make 9?
6.
Good. And then put equals 9, because you're just, they all add up to 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. 5 plus, so you'd have 5, and how many more do you need to get 9?
4.
Yeah, 4. And put equals 9, just to say that's how I'm figuring it out.
So you said 7, right?
Yeah, so you have 7 and
2.
2 more make 9. Yeah, 4 and 5 make 9. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You added 7 more. So that's the nines rule charts. I also like this one because technically you don't have to use your fingers for this. You just have to use your brain. You think 9 times 4, oh, it's a 3. 3 and 6 makes 9, so it's 36. Okay, I'm going to do something that I haven't done with you. I don't want you to tell me the whole answer. I just want you to look at 8 times 9 and blast down and think, oh, that's a 7, and say 70. And just say the 70.
Just say 70. So
just say 70.
If there's a 6,
you'd blast down and you'd just say 50.
Okay,
right.
You're out now.
Because sometimes kids need to get that first step figured out. So 9 times 7, you just say
60.
3 times 9,
20.
right. 9
80.
times 9, 80. Good. 9 times 3, you'd say 20. 6 times 9,
50.
7 times 9,
60.
good. 9 times 8,
70.
9 times 5,
40.
4 times 9?
30.
Good. 9 times 6?
50.
9 times 4?
30.
8 times 9?
70.
Good. Parents, your kids need to get that first step so they can drop down quickly and get that 60 or 30 or 70 first. Now I want you to do the same thing, only say the whole answer. 9 times 7. So drop down first and I want to hear the 60.
Okay. 60.
And then think.
3.
There you go. 3 times 9. So say the first
20.
part. And what do you add to 2 to get 9?
7.
Perfect. 9 times 9?
80.
Good.
1.
Perfect. 5 times 9?
40. Doing your method. 5.
Good job. 9 times 3. So say the
20.
and what do you add to 2 to get 9?
7.
Perfect. 6 times 9?
54.
Perfect. 7 times 9?
63.
Perfect. Good job, Caden. 9 times 8?
72.
72. Perfect. 9 times 5?
45.
45. 4 times 9?
36.
Perfect. Nice job. 9 times 6?
5.
So it's 50.
4.
Got it. 9 times 4?
36.
Perfect. Good job. And the ones I didn't stick in there really don't work. But what's 9 times 2?
That one was 18.
18.
Those
Yeah.
are these.
Well, you
easy
can't
ones.
say 20 or 30 if you have a 1. You can't say it's just 18. What's 9 times 1?
9.
9. 9 times 2?
18.
I'm going to take the skip counting flashcards and I'm going to combine them with the 9's rule flashcards. Some kids I would do skip counting alone and I do 9's rule alone for a time until they got really comfortable with both before I'd mix. I'm not going to make you say skip counting. Again, with some students I will make them say skip counting. Every time they look at a flashcard, they'll have to say skip counting or 9's rule. I'm just going to force you to say 9's rule. If you don't say 9's rule, you automatically miss it, even if you get the answer right.
Of course, the first one's a 9's rule.
9's rule, and the answer is?
9.
Good.
16.
Got it?
9's rule.
Good job.
54.
Perfect.
9.
Oh ho ho!
9.
It isn't a 9's rule. I'm going to make you skip count that one. You're going to skip count by? You're going to skip count by? 0. How many times?
9 times.
So do it for me. I want to see your fingers.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
And the answer is?
0.
Right. It should help you remember that 0 times anything is always
0.
0.
15.
Got it.
6.
Okay.
0. 9's rule.
9's rule. Perfect.
36.
Got it.
32.
Nice job.
25.
Do you want to skip count by 6s
I
or
was going by
4s?
4 as the first time.
And do you want pennies? Does it help?
Yeah.
Do you want 6s or 4s?
4s.
4s. Okay, and how
I
many
like
times are you going to skip count by 4s?
6 times.
So-
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Okay, good job.
9's rule.
Mm-hmm.
18.
Got it.
4, 12, 16.
Good job.
25.
Okay, do you want to skip count by 3s or by 8s? Well, I'll give you some more pennies. You want 8?
Yeah. 8, 9, 16, 24.
Good job.
10.
Mm-hmm.
35.
Got it.
6.
Got it.
15.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Mm-hmm.
9's rule.
Good job.
45.
Got it.
9's rule.
Mm-hmm.
72.
Got it.
9.
Mm-hmm.
16.
Got it.
7.
Mm-hmm.
0.
Mm-hmm.
9's rule.
Mm-hmm.
63.
Correct.
8.
Mm-hmm.
12.
Mm-hmm.
9's rule. 72.
Got it.
8.
Mm-hmm.
30,
Mm-hmm.
28,
Good job. That's a hard one.
24,
Good. You got it that time.
12,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0,
Uh-huh.
54,
Got it.
18,
Good job.
14,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0,
Mm-hmm.
27, 9, 0, 36,
Perfect.
3,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 45,
Good job.
12,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 0,
That's fine.
2,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 9,
Perfect.
25,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 81,
Got it.
21,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 18,
Got it.
40,
Mm-hmm.
9, 0, 27,
Good job.
8, 16, 24, 32,
Nice job.
9, 0, 63.
Good job.
I'm just going to say 6, 12, 18, 24,
Got it.
40,
Good job. And you skip counted it. I saw it.
28,
Uh-huh.
3.
Good job. The next thing we're going to do is count your money. 5 nickels makes a
Quarter.
quarter, so you got a quarter.
And then here's another quarter.
2 dimes and a nickel make a
Quarter.
quarter, and 2 quarters makes
50 cents.
50-cent piece. Okay, so you got
I love
50.
those things.
So count for me.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
That makes
Another quarter.
another quarter. Okay? So how much money did you make?
50. 76.
76 cents. So you're going to put 76 cents down there and add it up.
I'm really close. I'm at 93 cents already.
And put your dollar sign for your answer.
Okay.
We'll stick your money together and let's see what you get. See if it comes out right. How
93.
And is that what you got?
Yeah.
Perfect. And homework now gets a little bit more. You're going to do the same thing, written skip counting. You do your oral skip counting. Then you're going to write the 9s rule chart. And then it tells you to write it and circle and draw the arrow. So you're going to write a chart.
Make sure
Yeah.
just to switch them out.
And then you're going to do the set of flashcards. You're going to take your skip counting flashcards and have your mom shuffle in the
I'm gonna tell
9s
my mom
rule.
to-
And you're set, and I'll see you in a week.